Alright guys, I'm back for part 2. So, I've got some new plots here, and I am going to, and collect these guys' plots as well. Don't mind, I just have to do that. I'm sorry for part 1, my recording went off again, but literally, I have to keep checking like every so often. But if you guys want me to do a series on this, let me know. Oh, right. Okay. So now we are going to get all of these, because these are what my pink rock laggers eats. Oh, by the way, I also have Secret Stars installed. So Secret Stars installed on Xbox. So they're actually called sparkly heavy metal laggers, but that's not what they call them here. But that's what they would be called. I'll go get the other ones and then we'll top up on heartbeats. The heartbeats like never grow. I never get enough heartbeats, but today, quite good. And I don't have any mods installed, because you can't get Slime Mancer mods on Xbox. I'm just going to keep tapping keep tapping my iPad so the recording don't go off. Yes, I film on my iPad if you don't know that. Oh, wrong way. Oh, I forgot I need to collect these. But this is just my daily routine in Slime Rancher. I do this and then I go explore for a bit. Yeah, I was suspecting that they won't have any. But I keep them on low because like I don't have like the quick farming mod installed or anything like that. So now I'm gonna go into the overgrowth. Yeah, I got that unlocked. And I'm gonna get the mint mangoes. Oh. Oh yeah, actually, I need to get these hens because I don't like wasting the hens that I've got in the corrals. Even though that's what the hens are for, I don't like wasting them because I feel like it's just a waste of time growing them, if you know what I mean. So that's why I don't waste them. Like I've got loads of them. I've got painted hens and then I've got the briar hens. And then in here I got loads of stony hens and normal hens. But I just don't like wasting them because I feel like it's just a waste of time, like breeding them. So, oh my god, here comes my sister. Hey Pop.
I am come to get that one done.
Okay.
So yeah. But you know it's a piece of